My name is August. I'm an international student here at Fresno State. I'm from Denmark and I'm studying communication and philosophy, and I'm on the Hansen Annabæk Scholarship. I chose Fresno State kind of a coincidence because I had some friends here in Exeter, like an hour away from here, and they found this Danish scholarship, and I tried to apply for it and nobody knew about it. Applied for it and I got in. I was 16 when I got the scholarship, and I'd just been done with 9th grade in Denmark, and then you kind of have to move on to something called gymnasium, which is 3 years of gymnasium, and then you go to university to get your bachelor's. But I skipped those 3 years of gymnasium and went straight to the bachelor. And I think I really needed that to like kind of excel my studies, and so otherwise I would have just felt it'd be very boring. I've never had teachers that have been so good and like so interactive with the students. Like they really care for their students. They like to teach, but the main thing is to like get their students to excel in whatever field they're studying. And then the diversity too is pretty awesome here. I've never seen so many people of all colors and ethnicities just come together and it just works. Like it's really impressive.